Hey everyone, it's Erin Fluto here, and I am here setting up for the week of the 12th through the 18th. So I feel like I need to kind of go back a little bit this week where I set up my week kind of at a glance and then go through a different type of daily. I've been doing a lot of like hybrid-y Dutch door stuff lately, and I just feel like I need to take a step back, make it a little bit easier on myself, and I don't know, just really give myself the space I need to plan some stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will speed you up, put on some music, and then see you on the other side. Okay, so that is my setup. So basically what I did is I went in and used these little notes to mark in the day of the week, and I used my Tombow feud to mark in the actual day name, and a little banner. I miss doing banners, I have to say. I really do miss doing banners, so you'll probably see a bunch of those coming up here for a little bit because I just miss them. So, and then I marked in my events and like major things. So for example, Veterans Day is on Sunday. However, the federal government observes it on Monday. So we have a day off that day. I had my weekly bullet journal video going up on that Monday. I'm working from home on Tuesday, and then I am putting on an electronic signature training, which in this day and age still surprises me, but that's fine. We actually do have a very specific guidance in the federal government and for my agency in particular regarding the qualifications for electronic signature training. So I am putting on that training for my people. Then I have my wellness going up on YouTube. I have my normal round of meetings on Thursday, and we also have a Thanksgiving hosted by one of our branches where we all bring in food potluck style and have a little mini work Thanksgiving. And then a YouTube video on Friday. I haven't really decided what the actual content of that video will be, and once I do, I'll figure it out there. And then I don't have plans this weekend. Yeah, I don't have plans this weekend that I know of. I feel like I'm missing something that, like, I should know what I'm doing this weekend, but because I'm only looking at my work calendar, I don't really know. And then this is kind of what I was talking about, going back to dailies, where I'm not setting a certain amount of space for myself to meet those needs, or to squish everything in, or to try and add some stickers to fill in that space. That's what I'm going for. So I'm just going to go back to a style that I honestly, I haven't really done since like August. I think that was the last time I did a spread where it wasn't like preset. Yeah, I think this was the last time that I didn't set up an actual amount of space for things, and I kind of miss doing that. So this is going to be much more of a daily style where I am only using enough space for that day. So that is, oh, and this washi tape is from Simply Gilded. It came with the Constellation kit. I know pink isn't really in my wheelhouse for this month, but I thought it would look nice with that blue on the bottom, and I really just wanted to bring in some of that hollow. So I hope you guys like this spread. If you want to see more of these types of videos, tune in every week on Mondays when I post my weekly bullet journal setups. And let me know in the comments, not the description. Let me know in the comments below what types of content that you want to see. All these Friday videos, I usually leave it up to you guys. So let me know what you want to see coming up here. For example, someone gave me the idea of the expense tracker, and that's why you saw that a couple weeks back. So let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to make those videos. And I hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.